What's up guys, Alexau here with Keller Williams, and today we are looking at this beautiful 3-story new construction home here in Houston, Springbranch area, close to Costco and HEB. So right here we have a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath townhome in the community of Colby Park. Sorry for the background noise, guys. And right here is the model home. And they have just a few left, some listed for just under $390,000. Okay, so we have a 2-car garage right here, and right here we have an 8-foot entryway. So right here we have the entryway. We have 1 bedroom downstairs, garage on my left, and then some extra storage on the right. All the rooms are 10 feet high, 10 feet height ceilings, and they all have carpet. Okay, so this is the first bedroom with its own bathroom right here. And something that I like that they did, guys, is that they have the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, a lot of times, usually it'll cut off right around here with some other builders, and then it'll just be drywall. But as you can see right here, they go all the way up to the ceiling, and I love the color. It also feels pretty good too. Quartz countertops, pretty much everywhere. Kitchen and in the bathrooms. Here is the closet space for you guys. This is the model home, so they do have a lot of stuff around. Let's get out of the first bedroom. There's some extra storage space right here. And let's take a look at the garage one more time. 2-car garage. Very comfortable space right here, guys. Alrighty. Now, let's head into the second floor. So this is real hardwood flooring right here for you guys. And let's take a look up. And here we are in the kitchen and living room area, guys. 10-foot high ceilings. So much natural light just coming in. This is a very beautiful home right here, guys. To my right, I have the washer and dryer room. So comfortable amount of space right here. Now let's head into the kitchen. Look at this place, guys. Balcony. Open area. Plenty of space to entertain and have guests over. Loving this place so far. So the builder is offering fridge, washer, and dryer as an incentive, and they're also offering full blinds as well for all the rooms. Okay, stainless steel appliances are included as well. Here's the pantry. Nice tall pantry. And they do have an incentive if you go with their preferred lender as well. They have a grant program going on. I believe it's around $17,500 for that grant. And if you need more information, just give me a call. Nice thick countertop, quartz countertops right here, guys. I love seeing thick countertops. Hate the thin ones. Alrighty. So again, this is a very open area right here. Let's take a look at the balcony. So this is the balcony right here, guys. Just come out here every morning, have a sip of your coffee, and just contemplate life. You know, nice blue sky, life is good. All right, let's go back inside. All right, guys, that's it for the second floor. Oh, we also have the half bathroom right here for you guys. Easy access for your guests right here. All right. Now, heading up to the third floor is where the last two bedrooms are going to be. So here are the last two bedrooms right here. Bedroom number 2, which also has its own bathroom. All right, right next to the primary bedroom. So if you guys have kids, you know, this could be their bedroom. Or you could use it as an office space. You know, have your own office. All right. So the finishes are very similar to the first bathroom that we saw. They got this rainfall shower going on right here. Oops, I dropped something. And right next to the primary bedroom, we have some extra storage for you guys right here. No, don't close. I'm trying to show it. Extra storage. And now let's head into the primary bedroom. And right here, guys, is a really good amount of space for the primary bedroom right here. See that? Fit the bed, dresser. Notice the ceiling. Beautiful lighting in this place. All right, what's up? So, primary bathroom right here, along with the closet space. Here's your walk-in closet. Gentlemen with ladies, I hope this is a comfortable amount of space for them. All right, double vanity for him and her. And then to my right, I have a really nice walk-in shower right here. It sits pretty deep. So this is a very comfortable amount of space for the walk-in shower. Close that. All right, here's the bathtub. Some natural light coming in. And then toilet just sitting right there. All right. So that's pretty much it for the home tour, guys. I'm gonna go back downstairs to the second floor because I just want to see that living room one more time. If you guys like the video or are enjoying it, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. I want to put more videos out just like this, showing home tours around the Houston area, Katy, Cypress, Richmond, Springbranch, Heights, you name it. I want to do more videos like this. And yeah, just put out more content, grow this channel, and provide value. Love this space. Get you up close on the stain on the cabinets. I don't think I looked at the sink. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or you would like a private tour of this place, give me a call. I'm gonna put my phone number in the description. If you're a first-time home buyer or just looking to sell your house, I can also help you with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next. Thank you.